Relationship selling. Now, in many industries, people are still relying on relationship selling where they believe in building stronger relationships. Now, this is particularly important in industries where you are selling a costly product. Coming back to the same example, if Rakesh wants to buy a private jet, if I have a strong relationship with Rakesh, I will be able to sell my product easily to him. So how to build those relationships, that will be one of the sections. We'll discuss it. Then comes upselling and cross-selling. Now, can anybody tell what is upselling and what is cross-selling?
Upselling is selling additional accessories, additional products following the main product.
And cross-selling?
Cross-selling, the customer is buying different product. You're selling different product. It's a relationship.
You're right. You're spot on. Let me give you an example, everyone. What is upselling and what is cross-selling? Let us say Naveen wants to buy some 60-inch, 70-inch TV. He has in mind. He comes to my store. I talk to him. And instead of 60-inch TV, I convince him for 72-inch TV. So he came for 60-inch. I convinced him for 72-inch. This is called as upselling. For the same product, I sold a higher version. That's called upselling. For example, Naveen came to buy one burger. I sold him 2 burgers. That's upselling. Same product, I sold it either a higher version or more quantity. Right? So Niranjan came to buy a car. I sold him a private jet. Now that's called as cross-selling. He came for something. Along with that, I sold him something else. Very good example of cross-selling is, let's say Naveen came for burger. I sold him a burger. Along with that, I sold him a drink also and French fries also. So he just came for burger. I sold him drink. I sold him fries. Now, drink and fries are different products, but I sold to him because they go along with burger very well. So it is called as cross-selling. So a salesperson should be very good with upselling and cross-selling because this is only will increase your average deal size. And average deal size is more money for you and for your company. Now, how does this apply in B2B sales? For example, let us say customer came for a product. Along with the product, you sold him 2 years warranty. So you did cross-selling. You get more money out of it. Simple. Now, every customer you do, what instead of meeting 100% target, you will be meeting 150% target for yourself because you sold more. So let us say customer came to buy a CRM. You, along with the CRM, you sold him implementation also. That not only we will sell you the CRM, we will customize it for you, we will implement it for you, and we will maintain it also for you. Now, multiple things you sold. So like that, it is a salesperson should always be aware how to sell more, and the 2 techniques are upselling and cross-selling. Okay, clear on that?